venation of leaves according to the chapter Getting to Know Plants of 6th Standard Science book. So let's begin. Okay, so this is a leaf. Now, when considering about venation, okay, first of all, what actually is venation? So, in the previous video, we saw that this is called as a midrib and these are called as side ribs or the side veins. So, when we are talking about venation, we see these side ribs, or these side ribs are also called as side veins or simply as veins. So when we are looking for venation, we see the arrangement of these veins and the veinlets. Okay, so venation is basically the design, the pattern that these veins and veinlets make. Basically the veins, the different veins of leaf and the veinlets of leaf, the type of design it makes, we call it as venation. That arrangement, that pattern is called as venation. There are two basic types of venation. One is reticulate venation and the other is parallel venation. So that type of venation where the veins and the veinlets form a network. You see, this is a vein, this is a vein, this is a vein, and again you see these are the veinlets. So if you look closely, these veinlets are basically forming a network. You see here, it is forming a network, a meshy network, a net-like connection, and therefore this venation is called as reticulate venation. The term reticulate means something which is net-like, so therefore the venation is called as reticulate venation. Reticulate venation is the type of venation where the veins and the veinlets form a network, a net-like design or a net-like arrangement or a mesh-like arrangement or a spider web-like arrangement. Not spider web, but a web-like design. Okay. The next type of venation is parallel venation. This is a grass leaf. Here, if you see, this thing is the midrib. Okay, this is the midrib, and these, okay, let me zoom a little more. So, and these are the veins. These are the veins and the veinlets. The veins and veinlets are simply running parallel to each other. They are not forming any kind of network. They are simply just are parallel. All the veins and the veinlets are parallel to each other. They are simply parallel to each other. This type of arrangement, this type of design, this type of pattern of veins and veinlets, where the veins and veinlets simply run parallel to each other, equidistant to each other. They do not form any kind of network. Such type of venation, such type of pattern of veins and veinlets is termed as parallel venation.